Hey gang, this is Izzy with Let's Get to Work. That's affiliation on YouTube with the Travel Junkie Lifestyle and Inner Foodie. And today I wanted to make a quick video just giving you some informative information about changing your air filters for your HVAC units and your AC units that you may have at home. Nowadays that's something that's, the HVAC systems are usually something that's common with houses. Back in the day there wasn't stuff like that, and this was probably like in the 80s and before that though. And a different era, I'm just gonna simply put it that way though. So if you're looking to save some money, a couple of dollars and such, during the summer or even in the fall and the winter, it's always good to replace those air filters that you have for your homes. They do sell air filters that say that they're good for 3 months. Don't believe that gimmick. Buy them on a monthly basis. Buy them online, have them shipped to you. You can go to your hardware store, buy them. They're like $4 per air filter, and replace them on a month-to-month basis. This will save you some dollars because the way it works is that the unit is sucking air from your house, the hot air, the warm air, and it's blowing it out, and then the unit is blowing the cold air back into your home, so it circulates. And as long as you have clean filters, then obviously you're going to get all of the nasty stuff that clutters through there, filters it out on a month-to-month basis though. But as long as you replace them constantly on a month-to-month basis though, you're going to have that HVAC unit working efficiently. You're going to save yourself money if you buy filters and replace them on a month-to-month basis. Also, the maintenance on the HVAC, do it once a year if as necessary. Some units nowadays will email you if you have to email you reminders, replace filters, time for maintenance. Do it. Usually it's somewhere between 70 to 120 bucks to do the maintenance that you need. If you have to replace a whole HVAC unit, you're looking at up to, well, at a start for about $4,000. Some places will do the service and replace the whole unit for you for a lot more money than that. Sometimes you can get away with buying one if you have the Home Shield service that some people provide you when you buy a new home or buy a home, or if you subscribe to that kind of service on a yearly basis, you can do that. Also, sometimes you can get your insurance, your home insurance, to cover issues with that, but you'll have to reach out to them and find out though. But it's really not very difficult to replace the HVAC air filters. Some of them, like my house, this house right here, has the filters swapping places. I'm just called the vents. They're enough. They're close by here where I can just get on the ladder and I'll replace it. Some other units will have the air filter underneath the unit, the interior blower unit. And what you do is you just open a little vent area, a little spot right there, and then you just replace the vents. Replace the air filters. Other places will actually have, because they've been swapped out and the old units had a little crawl space underneath where you can put that air filter. You don't need to put two. So if you do have one of those places and it's got the general little vent filter underneath the blower, just replace that one. It works, that's all you need. But let me just show you really quick, and what I'm going to do, or when I do this, I'm going to just get a ladder. I'm just going to turn the little screws that it has, and they're usually done, they're almost like a butterfly nut. I'm just going to swap them out and then put them back on and ready to go. My recommendation is to do that when your AC unit is turned off. That way you don't get any nasty stuff getting in your face and you breathe anything. But it's simple, it's effective, it's efficient, it saves you some money. So take time and do that though. And if you're a female, if you're a lady and you're not comfortable with doing that, it's not very difficult. It's real simple. Don't be scared of doing it. And I encourage you to do that. That way, it saves you some dollars. You can use that money to, groceries and the necessities. And women always like makeup and stuff like that, though. So maybe that's a good way to save yourself a couple dollars on a month-to-month basis. But anyway, I wanted to make this video because I'd like to let you know that it's pretty important to do that. It's a filter. But let me get you some footage, and then we'll just call it a day, though. So I hope you all have a great. I hope to talk to you all soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Yeah, so this one's the one that I have here in my house. And I'll take out the bolt right here, and the other one, and they're just, you just do like this, and then the filter, I can just pull it out and put a new one. And then what I like to do before that is I like to clean the vent. Like you can see it's kind of dirty, so I'll do that. And then my unit actually has, you know, a digital thing where I can actually get the Wi-Fi to connect and tell me what's wrong with the unit if I need to and whatnot. And then it'll actually email me and let me know to replace the filter. So if you have a unit or if you buy a new one, I recommend that you look into that, you know, put in that extra money. The benefit with having something like that is, the benefit with having a system like that that's got the Wi-Fi or a little display, a little whatever pad, is that when you go and you sell it, when you put your house up for sale, if you're doing resale, excuse me right here, if you go out and do resale, the benefit with that is that it's a seller. You know, people are like, oh, okay, they modernized this, and it'll be easy for me to get emails and blah 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 communication so that I can replace my filters too. We're busy most of the year, so you know, one less thing to worry about if you get the communication through email as a reminder, and that's just gonna make life easier. But anyway, I hope you find this video helpful, and again, just want to let you know, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Catch you later. HVAC, this is a recent HVAC unit that I purchased for this house, and as you can see, this one has the filter down here. You open it up and then you're pulling it out. Having this section underneath here, you don't need a filter. It needs a little cleaning, of course. But that one filter's inside the unit, and that's where you want to replace this. I'm sorry, the filter for the AC unit. This outside unit was recently replaced, so it's doing really well. We had a major storm here this year out in Texas. Believe it or not, we got a bunch of snow, and the other unit locked up, and it was kind of old anyway, so we replaced it. I had they had the management team, great group of people, had somebody come out here and replace it, and they repainted that area down there, the concrete slab that keeps it in place to keep the rain and water from coming up and getting into the unit.